This video demonstrates how to use symbolic names with Smart Configurator for RX and RL78. As an example, we will use the RL78 Blinky project, which uses a program to blink the LED. From the eSquare Studio menu, select File, New, Renaissance C or C++ project, and then Renaissance RL78. Select Renaissance CCRLC or C++ executable project. And input the project name. Select Target Board and click Next. For this demonstration, select the RL78 G15 Fast Prototyping Board. Click Next. Select Bare Metal Blinky and click Finish to create the project. After the project is created, switch to Pins, and then select Pin number. Symbolic names will be displayed on pins connected to the user interface, such as LEDs and switches. And macro definitions will be generated in the header file based on these symbolic names. When writing code using symbolic names, you can reuse the same code without any changes when you switch boards. For example, if you switch to a different board, such as the RL78G23-64P Fast Prototyping Board, LEDs will be assigned to other pins. Therefore, you can switch to the new board just by changing the port assignment without modifying the user code. For more information related to Smart Configurator, please visit this URL.